doing I was going to do a city safari, but I just settled for a walk around the River Quay and the river market. And the River Quay is famous for kind of being the Greenwich Village of the Midwest back in the late 60s, early 70s. And then it became the site of a mafia war. And if you ever heard the reference in the movie Casino to a little thing that the FBI was investigating that eventually blew the lid off the mafia operations in Las Vegas, the River Quay War was what they were investigating. Actually, it was the murder of the Spiro brothers. And tonight, I was looking through my archives and I saw this video I did with a double take, and kind of wanted to repeat that. So, you know, these gimbals are pretty cheap, so I went and got an updated version of one that I already had, and so now that's what I'm using. This is actually my cell phone cameras, using the app Double Take, which is part of Filmic Pro, which I already purchased, or I purchase every year. I can't remember if it's like a, what do you call it, a subscription or not. But we've left the River Quay, and that's the well, they call it the city market, but a lot of people always remember it as a farmer's market. And a lot of the farms around here, especially from up north, would ship their fruits and veggies down to the city of Kansas City. And this used to be the heart of the city, actually. City Hall was, I don't know which block it was on, but it used to exist here. It was a beautiful old building, and then, you know, this is America. Things don't last long, and it got demolished, I think, in the 1930s when they built the new City Hall, because, you know, you can't have the old building and the new building existing. And so far, they've refined these gimbals. It's a lot smoother than they used to be. I guess I can get away from Minsky's Pizza here. They're gonna mess up my copyright. But even with walking all over the legends today, and the need to find a bathroom. I believe this part was done in the 1940s when they improved the farmers market. Anyway, I believe I got my steps in today. Maybe I have to go find that bathroom again. Oh, here was somebody else trying to mess up my copyright. City Market. Somebody wants to show off for my recording. I'd be too shy for that. And there's another great view of downtown, but I don't have a zoom on this. Double take. So just settle for walking around. Hopefully when I get back the audio will have worked too, since sometimes these programs, these apps don't like to talk to each other. There's the Steamboat Arabia Museum. I guess that'll be leaving us sometime. Nothing is forever, I guess. I don't know where it'll go, if it'll go anywhere. It's actually been here quite a while, since what, the mid to late 90s? This is a steamy part of summer too, so the farmer's market is doing okay, I guess, but middle of summer it's popular, but it's not the best time to come. Spring or fall. There's 2 days in this city that are the perfect days, and then the rest of them are just kind of, we only get 2 good days in Kansas City, weather-wise. There's a sign there that says World Welcome. And well, I think that was for some event that just happened this summer. Kind of a big one. You know, like everything is big, it involves sports. Go over here and look at the city market sign. There it is. A lot of people stop here to get their picture taken. And of course, got that view of downtown. And across the street here is the Asian market, one of them. It's probably one of the older ones. It's been here a long time. My wife loves to go there. She's Filipino. Me, I like going there, but I'm not fond of the smell of fish. And if you're going to any authentic Asian market, that's what you're going to smell. Fish. Fish, fish. Whoops. Or if I can only learn how to walk. In the back side of the farmer's market here. People laughing at this crazy man talking to himself on camera. Mine. Yeah, so far this gimbal is not doing too bad. I haven't been a fan of these phone gimbals, but it's cheap enough. We'll see. They're kind of hard to control. I don't think I can really, no, I can't control the zoom at all with this app. I can in the native DJI app. And we're going to look at another really good view of the city. I think a lot of photographers like this one because it has a farmer's market in the foreground. Of course, if I had the zoom capability, you could see it, but whew, it is muggy and steamy. Now, if I were brave, I'd actually do the city safari in somewhere like Westport, but Westport, unfortunately, can be pretty crazy. People like their guns. To me, having a gun does not make you manly in any way. It just means you can't handle your affairs. I think a lot of people agree with that. Now we're back in the River Quay. About the only reference to it these days is this coffee house they just came out of, called Quay Coffee. Most people mispronounce it. It's spelled Quay, but it's pronounced Quay, which means like a river or wharf area. Warehouses or areas that are related to river traffic. And this was pretty much where the city began. Next to the river here. And the street here, Delaware Street, had a lot of old buildings that were basically sitting empty. So this person made his money in figuring out they can use Teflon for cooking pans. Marion Trezzolo started buying and renting all these places and leasing them to like artists and people who want to start restaurants, and this was going gangbusters. These streets were filled with nothing but people on weekends. And then mafia decided to muscle in on it, started murdering each other, rival gangs, and then put the finishing touches in 1977. They blew up some buildings. Whew. That a lot of bad press from the Kansas City Star. Pretty much finished this area as a nightlife district, and it didn't really recover. It never really recovered. Some say it did, but it didn't. It's come back a little in the 1990s. Anyway, this is our car. This bit of boorishness is done. Woohoo!